guys, I'm back for another video. It is Fashion Friday and I'm coming with another outfit of the day. So if you want to see what I came up with, stay tuned. Alright guys, so hopefully you can see me well. So I'm gonna just jump right into it. The whole outfit, of course, is from Shein. Yes, yes, and yes. I like over-the-top blouses. You guys already know that if you're following me. If you're not, shame on you. You should be following me. I just paired this with some jeans. If you looked at my last video, you'll see these jeans in a previous video of mine. I paired it with this cute hat. I take it back. This is not from Shein. Ooh, I'm sorry. This is from Forever 21. So yes. So this is from Forever 21. It's a nice fedora. Has the belting on it. Really nice. It's really sturdy. Yeah, and it's kind of like a felt material. Really nice, guys. I like it. It looks very luxurious. The earrings, of course, I got from AliExpress. If you guys want to know the link to that, just comment below and I'll put it in the description. But yes, this is the outfit. These are high-rise detailing. Let me see if I can show you. So the detailing on the jeans, as you can see, really nice. They come all the way down to the floor. I am 5'4", so yeah, they're not dragging or anything, but yes, I love these jeans. If you're looking for something to basically complement your booty, these are not it, because they give you, like, I don't know if you can see that, it's not really doing much for you, so it's not gonna do that. But this is my outfit. I got the top in a medium, I got the jeans, and I believe a medium as well, because I wanted the hip to fit, which, I mean the waistline, which it did. And this hat, it comes in one size, of course, and that is it. You can pair it with whatever purse you want. I always pair my outfits usually with my Amazon bag, so it gives you that luxurious Chanel look. If this was like a beige color, the color of this hat or something, it would really just pop, or like a snake skin or something like that. Yes, and of course you can pair it with any type of heels. You can pair it with any type of heels. Of course, I paired mine with, let me see if I could show you, with just these. These are simple. Everyone and their mama have them. So yeah, this is my outfit, guys, for Friday. This is a cute fall look. The girls that love the blouses, over the top blouses like I do, you're gonna love this top. It really just screams fashion forward. It screams runway. It just, I love it, and it also screams fall. So the material is not see-through, thank God. Yeah, it's a nice sturdy blouse. I'm really here for it. Let me know what you guys think of my outfit. Would you wear it? Yay, nay? And make sure that you are following me on Instagram at the Fashionista Barbie, so you can get all the updates on what I'm going to be doing, as well as you can get like a full shot of my outfit on my Instagram, and also just so we can connect, so we can get to know each other better. You know what I mean? And also make sure that you're subscribed so that you can keep seeing these great videos every Friday. I may eventually start making more videos, but Friday I want it to be all about fashion. That's what my channel's about now. If you've been rocking with me since day one, then you know it was about makeup and motivational things, and I'm still going to do the motivational from time to time, but right now it's all specifically about fashion. So if you're a girl that's all about fashion, high fashion on top of that, on a budget, then this is the channel for you. I hope that you like this video. I hope that you thumbs up, comment below how you like it. Make sure that if you buy any of these pieces from Shein, that you tag me in it on Instagram. Make sure you do that. I know everybody says that on YouTube, but I really want to see your outfit. I really want to see how you like the pieces that I chose, and if you chose to buy it, how do you like it? So make sure that you tag me in that, and make sure you push the notification bell so you know every Friday when I am uploading. I appreciate all of you guys who have been subscribing to my channel and following me on Instagram. I really appreciate it. I appreciate the love and the support, and I pray that you guys continue to stick with the girl, and yeah, more to come. Stay tuned till next Friday where my next outfit will be. All right.